Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be exploring Class 9 Chapter 3, Linear Equations into Variables. So let's begin and let's get quickly through this because it's quite an easy topic. So, linear equation. Let's zoom in a little bit. Linear equation basically means highest degree is 1 because linear, and equation is a pattern of terms divided by operations which includes an equal sign, right? So you need an equal sign. For example, x plus y is equal to 0. So this is our equation. Also, it's a linear equation. Okay? And also, it's in two variables because two different types of variables can be found in a linear equation. Okay? Let's rub all that out and move on. So, an equation that can be put into ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. How? A is a number, b is a number. So you've got 1x plus 1y plus c is a constant, 0 is equal to 0. Okay? Now we had our thing of x plus y. Let's take, I've got more to rub out. Is equal to 0. Can we write that in that way? Yes, I just wrote it over there. 1x is equal to x, 1y is equal to y, and 0 is equal to nothing and is equal to 0. We have already got that. So meaning that is a linear equation in two variables. Okay, let's move on. 2x plus 2y is equal to 8 is also that because 2x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0, because if that's equal to 0, then when it comes on that side of the equal sign, it becomes minus, because plus going to that side will become minus, plus coming from that side will become minus, multiplication going to that side will become division, and multiplication coming from that side will become division too. So, solving in one variable. Let's just start with one variable for easy. So if you've got x plus 1 is equal to 10, then you can put the x on 1 on that side, which is equal to x plus x is equal to 10 minus 1. Alright, 10 minus 1 is 9, meaning x is equal to 9. That's our answer. So, hope you got that. Let's move on. Then, we only got one solution, which is x is equal to 9. Now, in two variables, look at what happens now. X plus y is equal to 10. Now, x can be 1, where y is 9. X can be 2, where y is 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, 0, 10, 10, 0, minus 1, 11. So you can even expand that with negative numbers. So you've got so many solutions. There are infinity solutions, right? You've got infinity solutions. Now, making a graph. Now, we have learned this in the last chapter, but let's quickly revise on this. If you've got 0 and 3, you have the x first. So you've got 0x and 3. So that's going to be over there. If you've got 2, 2, which is going to be there, 2 and 2, that's going to meet over there. So our point is going to be that. Then we've got 4, 1. 4 is the x, and 1, which is going to be there's. What are we forming? We are forming a line. Okay? Making a graph of an equation. Now you might be like, how do you make a graph out of equation? A graph of a linear equation is always a straight line in any direction. Okay, so it's basically a line. If you have a linear equation like that, you will have a line. Now, when you come across equations, okay, You want to start assuming. You want to let x be something, let y be something, okay? So let's let x equal to 1. Then y is going to be, y is equal to 2 because 1 plus 2 is, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. If x is equal to 2, then y is going to be 1. If x is equal to, for example, 0, then y is going to be 3. So let's draw that graph. So if x is 1, then we've got x is 1, then y is 2. So that's going to be there. X is 2, then y is 1. X is 2, then y is 1. X is 0, then y is 3. X is 0, then y is 3. So what are we forming? We are forming a line which goes from this. Alright, that's gonna move on, it's gonna be infinity. Because if you see, if y is 4, then x is gonna be minus 1. Because 4, if we go here, 4 plus minus 1, that's gonna be plus minus is minus. So 4 minus 1 is 4. Right? 4 minus 1 is not 4, 3. Right? So that's how it's gonna work. Now, in one variable, a graph would look like if you have x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then how is it going to work? Then what you want to do is x is going to be equal to 0. X is going to be equal to 2. So you've got x over there. That's it in one variable equations. But if you have two variables and you've got a parallel line to x or y axis. So if you only have one variable like that, like x minus 2 is equal to 0, then how can you make it a two variable? Well, you can write x plus 0 y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, what's that now? Now, whatever you do, 0y is equal to 0. Okay? You can't disagree with that. So, you have done nothing to the equation. You have just made it into a linear equation in two variable. So, if x is 2, then y is 0. So, if you have 2 minus 0y minus 2, 2 minus, now, you want only x to be on that side, so you want to move x on that side. So, it's going to be 0y minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Alright? And 0y is 0. So, when x is minus 2, then y is 0. If you put y as 1, let's take 2 minus 0, 1. If y is 1 minus 2, will that make a difference to our equation? 2 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay? So that didn't make any difference to our equation. So, how is that going to look like? Whatever x is, whatever y is, x is always going to be 0. Always going to be 2. So we're going to have a line like that. If x is equal to 3, then like that. 4, 5, 1. Alright, I can show you a better example of this on Desmos. So the next video in the playlist is going to be about that. So I hope you understood everything. Hope you understood that this line is parallel to y. And if you only have y, if you only know y, then that line is going to be parallel to x. Okay? So that's it for this chapter. Hope you understood everything. Hope you learned something new. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.